Hello guys, today I'm making the Weikfield Rose Falooda, and for that I'm going to use the Amul A2 cow milk. So this is a Gir cow milk which I have kept for boiling right now. 1 liter of milk in which I have added 200 ml of water as instructed on the Weikfield packet. So I kept it for boiling right now. Once the milk boils, we will add in the Falooda mix and then let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes as well, and then let it cool in the fridge, and then our Falooda will be ready. So now I kept the milk for boiling. Now you can see that the milk is coming to a boil. We are going to lower the flame as soon as it comes up. We're just waiting for it to come up, start rising. Only immediately lower the flame. So the milk has come to a boil. Right there we can see that. Start to boil and rise right now. And the milk that we are using is the Amul A2 cow milk, which is got from the Gir cow. We'll lower the gas right now, and to this milk we are going to add the Weikfield Falooda mix, rose flavored, that I have with me right here. It makes delicious 6 delicious glasses. It says lip smacking taste, easy to make. So let's go. This is a Weikfield Falooda mix, rose flavor that I'm adding. You can see I emptied the whole entire packet into the milk right now, and then we are going to let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Let's mix it a bit. Since we added the mix into the milk, we just stir it. I'm going to stir it occasionally so that it doesn't start sticking at the bottom. We have added it, and now we are going to let it cook for a good 15 minutes. So what all is there? What are the ingredients of this Weikfield Falooda mix? The major ingredient is sugar. Then we have vermicelli, there's stevia, there's some starch, dextrose, raisins, basil seeds, nature identical flavoring substances, that is rose synthetic food color is used in this. So very simple ingredients right there. Sugar, vermicelli, starch, dextrose, raisins, basil seeds, nature identical flavoring substances, which is rose flavor, and synthetic food color which is added to it. So we have added all the mix to the milk. We are going to let it cook for a good 15 minutes on low flame. And we'll stir it occasionally from time to time. So you can see that now the milk is again coming to a boil after we have added the Weikfield Falooda mix. It has been like around 12 minutes right now. More 3 minutes I'm going to cook this. Like I said, we'll have to keep stirring. One thing you might have noticed that the handi in which I was making Falooda has changed. So earlier I had taken a smaller handi, and then it was almost about to overflow, so I had to move it to a bigger handi. So make sure that you have to take a bigger handi from the start, a bigger utensil to cook the Falooda. So now you can see that a nice aroma is coming of the rose flavor on the Falooda mix as it cooks. Guys, you can see the Falooda mix being prepared completely right now. It's almost 15 minutes right now. I'm going to just turn off the flame, and then I'm going to let it sit under the fan and let it cool. And then once it's cool and down to room temperature, I'll keep it in the fridge and refrigerate it for like 8 to 12 hours overnight tonight. and then I will come back and add in some ice cream and serve the Falooda. So yeah, let's turn off the flame right now. I turned off the flame. I'm just gonna let it sit overnight under the fan so that it cools down, and once it's at room temperature we will keep it inside the fridge. So guys, I have served the rose falooda. Now that it is chilled, I have served it in a glass. You can see this inside the glass. Nice and thick rose falooda has become. You can see this, the savia in the falooda, you can see, and then there are basil seeds and some dry fruits as well. I have added cashews from top as well for it, for extra nutty flavor. And what I have with me is the ice cream that I am going to add to the falooda. To complement the falooda, I have purchased the Havmor Rajwadi Kulfi Falooda ice cream. So guys, this is the Rajwadi Kulfi Falooda ice cream box that I have with me, and I am going to add this ice cream to my falooda. So let's go and add the ice cream to the falooda. Right now, and we are going to add this to our falooda. And we'll take another scoop of it and add that as well. And guys, this is our Weikfield Falooda ready with Havmor Rajwadi Kulfi ice cream in it. Just look at it, it looks amazing. And now it's time to do a taste test. I'm just gonna dip the ice cream into the falooda a bit. Amazing, amazing flavor. Tastes really nice. Perfect sweetness. So guys, this is how you make the Weikfield Falooda at home. And I have used the Havmor Rajwadi Kulfi ice cream with the falooda. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.